If you're watching this video, you either don't know where you fit into the social structure or you're curious about why all Sigma males are loners. In this video, I'll cover 9 reasons why Sigma males have little to no friends. Most people value their friendships highly, and the foundation of every lasting friendship is built on respect, unwavering support, and, of course, selflessness. Sadly, the rise of social media platforms has given some people an entirely new perspective on friendship. On Twitter, you can have 1 million followers, and on Facebook, innumerable friends. However, they aren't your friends if you can't rely on them for unwavering support or trust. Instead, they serve as your online spectators, or should I say fans. The Sigma males do, however, have few friends. You have to earn their friendship first before they will consider you one. They recognize the value of true friendships and place a high value on them. Sigma males may seem inherently prideful or conceited, which is why you might assume they have little to no friends, but that isn't the case. It's just in their character. They favor quality above quantity. Number 1. Sigma males are just not interested in relationships. Sigma males are capable of love, but they prefer to be alone. Relationships merely serve to impede their goals and desires. Instead of seeing family as a need, they perceive it as a burden. That doesn't mean they don't demonstrate affection to their partners, family, and friends, though. Instead of letting loved ones drag them down, Sigma males establish boundaries. Losing one's freedom is the last thing a Sigma male desires. Rarely do their ambitions include starting a family and settling down. They will, though, if forced into a circumstance where they must support their family members. Some Sigma males also find the ideal partner who respects their independence. That is a Sigma male's ultimate goal when it comes to relationships, to find somebody who understands them and their boundaries and can understand them on a deeper level. Number 2. Sigma males can see through people. In my previous video, How Sigma Males Destroy Evil People, I mentioned that Sigma males are skilled at spotting fake friendliness and subtly aggressive humor. When someone gives them a gift out of selflessness rather than because they want to make an outrageous demand in return, they can tell. Sigma males are very clever and adept at spotting people's true motivations even from a distance. Sigma males can spot someone who is overly excited, emotional, and hyperactive while they are trying to make friends. Because of their personalities, they avoid these people and find it difficult to make friends with them. The majority of the time, these people are social climbers who desire friendship with the lone wolves because they possess their needs or desires. The intuitive character of the Sigma male allows him to spot social climbers from a great distance and avoid them at all costs. Number 3. Sigma males don't care about what anyone thinks of them. The opinions of others mean little to Sigma males. They are free to express themselves without worrying about winning anyone over and have an independent worldview. They are never concerned by other people's ideas because they think differently from everyone else. They don't care if you think they're strange. The only time a Sigma male will react to something is if it directly affects their family. This is because a Sigma male is unfazed by any judgment or disrespect done to himself. But if somebody he truly cares about is disrespected, the Sigma male will stick up for them at all costs. This is because Sigma males are incredibly loyal to the people they truly care about and never want to see them get hurt. Number 4. Sigma males are not afraid of missing out. Sigma males don't act in a certain way just because everyone else is. They resist joining the crowd. Instead of having a pointless chat, they would prefer to spend time alone, exploring and learning new things. These lone wolves don't really care about the most recent fashions, in contrast to the alpha or beta men. They also give little thought to materialistic items. They hardly worry about missing out since they enjoy being by themselves and thinking about the world around them. If you're getting value from this content, click the like and subscribe button. I dish out content like this every day. Now back to the 9 reasons why Sigma males have no friends. Number 5. Sigma males don't need to prove their worth to anybody. Each masculine Sigma is self-reliant and powerful. They have a mentality that portrays them as gods among humans. They are pleased with what they have and are constantly appreciative of the little things. Naturally, the Sigma males are self-sufficient and depend on no one for anything. Therefore, they don't have to prove their worth to anyone. Sigma males also don't take kindness of others for granted. A Sigma male will always keep mental note of people who have done right by them, and also those who have done wrong by them. Sigmas will show appreciation towards those that are positive influences in their life, but completely disregard any disrespectful people because they don't feel the need to prove themselves. Number 6. Other people find Sigma males intimidating. The intimidating aura the lone wolves constantly exude is one of the reasons they have fewer friends. They don't behave like dominant males who are always making noise. Generally speaking, Sigma males keep to themselves. However, they are forced to be feared. Remember, they can be happy and confident without anyone else's approval. As a result, they are not hesitant to speak the truth or confront someone who is acting inappropriately. And because of these characteristics, the Sigma male is perceived as a danger. Few people, nevertheless, can recognize them for what they really are. The Sigma males can devote their time and energy to these people. And once you get past the intimidating factors of a Sigma male, you get to see the true, kind, yet assertive men that they are. Number 7. Sigma males are mysterious and elusive. Sigma males are challenging to comprehend. They become more enigmatic the more you try to understand them. They live alone, and only a small number of people comprehend them and share their viewpoints. Sigmas tend to live in their own little worlds and consider excessive socializing to be a major distraction. They only have thought-provoking conversations. They detest rumors and stay away from rumor mongers like the plague. A Sigma male's mysterious nature is attributed to the fact that they seem to live in a world that they have constructed for themselves, something I like to refer to as the Sigma Matrix. Sigma males are so mysterious yet successful in their lives that it just seems that they pave the way for their destiny in ways that are too abstract for the average person. Number 8. Sigma males always observe when they are in a new environment. Sigma males always take a seat back and watch what is going on around them when they are in a new area or environment. And they become enraged the moment they encounter someone who is addicted to social media or who enjoys spreading falsehoods. They will make every effort to avoid these people. For the lone wolves, life is about more than squandering time on social media or spreading misinformation to cause trouble. Every Sigma male is a firm believer in radiating the energy they desire to be around. They are, of course, modest and motivating to everyone. However, they won't waste their time or their faith on those who don't merit it. Number 9. Sigma males are self-sufficient. A Sigma male is independent as well as self-sufficient. He doesn't rely on people since he feels independent, which could be dangerous. But he goes above and beyond to give himself whatever he wants and needs. The Sigma male equips himself with the means to accomplish his visions and life goals. He doesn't require fans or supporters to encourage him. He usually relies on his ingrained survival abilities rather than other people. Because of a Sigma's self-sufficiency, he doesn't put himself in many situations where he makes other people feel needed. This is just another trait of the lone wolf that contributes to his lack of many friends. If you agree with the points I made in this video, let me know in the comments. For more videos on Sigma males, check out some other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. For those looking to achieve greatness, like the video and subscribe for more videos just like this one.